5 reasons to choose a dental implant as your fixed teeth replacement. Dental implant is surely the best fixed teeth replacement procedure. Dental patients in India also prefer dental implants over old procedures like removable dentures, dental bridges. The number one reason is dental implants looks and feels more like your natural teeth and are comfortable compared to removable dentures. A second reason to choose a dental implant treatment is that they are long-lasting and are more reliable. With proper care and regular maintenance, dental implants last for a lifetime. Since its inception, dental implant treatment is proven to be 98% successful, and this is the third reason you should consider the dental implant teeth replacement option. The fourth reason to choose a dental implant is due to improved chewing and biting efficiency. With dental implants, you will feel similar to natural chewing and biting. The fifth reason is related to maintaining your youthfulness of facial structure and bone. Implants give support to ridge bone and help reduce bone resorption. With all these points, dental implants had proved to be the longest, durable, and most near to natural teeth replacement option available in today's modern dentistry.